Hello friends, welcome back to Preschool Teaching. How are you doing today? Nice. It's good to know that you all are doing good. And we are meeting after a long time. So I hope you got time to learn and revise the sounds. But how many sounds have we learned? Do you remember? Yes, we have learned 4 sounds of set 1. That is S, eh, 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 t, t, and e, e, e. Good. So nice to know that you remember the sound and the action both. So what are we going to learn today? Today we are going to learn our 5th sound, our 5th phonic sound for the letter P. And before that, like every time, we will start with a story. And today, while listening to the story, what you have to do is try to pick up the words which have the sound or which have the letter P. Let's see how many words you will be able to pick up. After that, we will do the sound. So, the story goes like this. There was a little boy named Peter and it was Peter's birthday. On birthday, what do? Yes, we celebrate birthday. Like that, Peter was having the birthday party. Yes, he was having the birthday party. And in the birthday party, his friends have come, his family is there, and he got lots of presents. And Peter is excited. Peter wants to open his presents and then he started playing with his friends. So he opened his presents and then he was playing with his friends. And there's one more thing which we love to do on birthday. Yes, we love to cut the birthday cake. So Peter was also having a birthday cake, and on the birthday cake there were pink candles. And now Peter comes and he tries to blow the candles, and how he'll puff out the candles? Puff, puff. You also do with me? Puff. But these candles are magic candle and keep relighting. Do you know what is magic candle? You blow the candle and it lights again and again and again. So everybody tries to puff out these candles, and how do they do? Puff, puff, puff. So finally he could celebrate his birthday and he could cut the cake and have fun with his friends. So how was the story? Okay, now you tell me how many words were there with the letter P. Could you pick them up? Pick them up, yes. Peter, yes, Peter. Then party, okay. In the party they got presents, and after that they were play. So Peter, party, present, play, and pink candles were also there, pink. And how they were puffing out the candles? Puff. So there were 6 words we used with the letter P. And now you would have understood what is the sound for letter P? P, P. And here is the letter P. This is the letter P, which is capital P, and this is lowercase, small p. So, P, sound will be same, P, but this is capital and this is small, uppercase, lowercase. So, the sound for letter P will be P, and the action will be, just think this is a candle and you are puffing out the candle like P, 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 okay? So, we are going to listen to the song, you can sing along and do the action.
Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff.
to it one more time.
Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, puff, puff.
So this was the song and the action for sound P. P. And let's see a few words or objects which begin with the sound P. P. Here we have the letter P. 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 Pan. Pan. P. P. Parrot. Parrot. P. P. Pie. Yummy, yummy pie. P. P. Peacock. Peacock. P. P. Pig. Pig. And P. P. Pen. Pen. So we have so many words which have the beginning sound P. So let's read once again, and this time you have to repeat with me. P. P. Pie. Pie. P. P. Pan. Pan. P. P. Parrot. Parrot. P. P. Pig. Pig. P. P. Pen. P. P. Peacock. Peacock. So the letter is P and the sound is P. P. Now you have seen some of the words or some of the objects which begin with the sound P. Can you tell me a few more words? I'm sure it's very easy for you. Yes, we write with a, yes. We write with a pencil, and I have a pink pencil, pink pencil, and we write on the paper, paper. And what else? Is it possible for you to tell words? Possible, possible. Pat. Yes, and pot. A pot. Yes, and there is a color name, starts with P. Yes, purple. Purple. Very good. So you know lots of words which begin with the sound P. So now let me see if you can recognize the beginning sound P words. So you tell me, does this start with P? No, it doesn't. Okay, how about this? Yes, this starts with P. Okay, one more. How about this? No. And the last one. Does this start with P? Yes, this starts with P. Okay, so now you have understood the sound of letter P, which is P, and you know how to say it P. And you know the objects also. And what is the action for P? P. Next, we are going to learn how to trace and write the letter P. And for that, you need a pencil or crayon, anything, and a paper. Paper. So let's learn how to write P. So here we have letter P and P. So capital P, small p. And how we are going to trace it? We'll start from the top. So for capital P, we start from here and we'll end till here. So first we are going to write standing line. So we start from the top and we keep saying the sound P, P, P. And then this loop here. P, P, P. So this is capital P, and now we will write the small p. P, P. Same thing, we always start from the top and we stop here at the bottom. P, 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 P. So whenever we are writing, we always say the sound so that we don't forget it. So it is P, P, P. One more time. Small letter P, 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 P. That was good writing. I'm glad you are able to trace and write the letter P, and the sound is P. So today we have learned the sound P, and the action is P. Sound is P. How do we say with the action? Can you do it with me? P, P, P. Very good. So you keep learning and keep revising. I will see you in my next video with another phonic sound. Bye bye.